Once upon a time, in the cheerful town of Sunvale, lived a curious and adventurous boy named Kenny. Kenny loved adventures and he loved picnics, but most of all, he loved combining the two. One bright morning, Kenny packed his backpack with sandwiches, juicy apples, lemonade, cookies, and a soft blanket. He tied his shoelaces tight and whispered to his loyal dog, Bingo, "Today we're having a forest picnic, Bingo, an adventure picnic." Bingo wagged his tail excitedly. Woof! Kenny and Bingo skipped down the path to the enchanted forest, a magical place where trees whispered secrets, flowers glowed in rainbow colours, and butterflies danced like tiny fairies. As they walked deeper, they noticed a family of squirrels arguing over a pile of acorns. "Oh no," Kenny said. "Looks like someone needs help." He carefully divided the acorns evenly. "Now everyone gets some. Sharing makes picnics and forests happier." The squirrels chattered happily and scampered off, leaving Kenny smiling. Suddenly, a giant shimmering butterfly fluttered down and landed on Kenny's shoulder. "Hello, Kenny. I'm Luma, the forest guide," whispered the butterfly. "Today, you'll not only enjoy a picnic, but also learn about friendship, courage, patience, and teamwork." Kenny's eyes sparkled. Wow, a talking butterfly! Luma fluttered ahead, guiding them to a sparkling pond where the sunlight danced on the rippling water. At the pond, frogs croaked loudly, hopping onto Kenny's blanket and scaring away a few butterflies. Kenny frowned. "How can I enjoy a picnic here with all this noise?" Luma smiled. "Sometimes adventures require patience. Watch carefully, wait for the right moment, and then act." Kenny stayed still, watching the frogs. Slowly, the frogs hopped away to a quiet corner, and Kenny set up his picnic. Bingo wagged his tail, and the two friends enjoyed sandwiches, lemonade, and cookies, listening to the gentle sounds of the forest. Suddenly, a soft hoo hoo echoed from the trees. A baby owl looked lost and frightened. "Don't worry," Kenny said gently. "We'll help you." Kenny and Bingo followed the tiny owl through twisting paths. They climbed over mossy logs, tiptoed past sleeping rabbits, and finally found the owl's nest. "Thank you," hooted the mother owl. "You showed courage and kindness today." Luma nodded. "See, Kenny, adventures are even more magical when you help others." Just as they thought their picnic was over, a clever little fox appeared. "Hello, Kenny. Hello, Bingo. Can you help me?" the fox asked, smirking. Kenny tilted his head. "What's wrong?" The fox explained that he wanted to join their picnic, but didn't have any food. Kenny smiled and said, "We can share. There's plenty for everyone." The fox's eyes widened. "Really?" "Yes," Kenny replied. "Sharing makes adventures better and friends happier." The fox joined them, and soon they were all laughing, munching sandwiches, and playing hide-and-seek among the glowing flowers. After helping the owl and sharing with the fox, the sky above the pond shimmered. A giant rainbow arched across the forest. Tiny, sparkling raindrops fell like diamonds, making everything glitter. Kenny and Bingo danced under the rainbow. The fox joined in, the butterflies twirled, and even the frogs hopped happily on the pond's edge. "Best forest picnic ever," Kenny shouted. Bingo barked in agreement. As the sun began to set, Kenny packed up, promising Luma and the forest animals he would visit again. On the way home, he thought, adventures are amazing, but helping friends, being patient, sharing, and being brave makes them truly special. That night, Kenny fell asleep dreaming of forests, butterflies, frogs, foxes, and magical rainbow picnics, ready for his next big adventure. Moral of the story: true adventures aren't just about exploring, they're about kindness, patience, courage, sharing, and teamwork. Helping friends and making thoughtful choices makes every adventure magical. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.